The Boost shoe with the burrito tongue. Here's my unboxing of the Adidas Pureboost Raw Steel. Raw. Hi there, MC here for Steel Falcons Gaming, back with another unboxing video. Today I will be unboxing another outlet store pickup, the Adidas Pureboost Raw Steel. So let's go. So this is the Pureboost in Raw Steel colorway, US size 9. The product number is CM8298. The retail price is 6,500 pesos, but there's a 30% discount at the outlet store, so I got this for 4,550, so that's about $90 US. So let's go to the usual 360 view. Here's the view from the top, from the lateral side, from the medial side, from the back, and the sole. Raw. So that's my unboxing of the Adidas Pureboost in Raw Steel colorway. Please click like and subscribe and tune in once again here in Steel Falcons Gaming. MC here, signing off. Peace.